I'm not using any tools because I don't want to tear up my garlic bud, okay? So, for y'all wondering why I'm not using no tools, it's because I don't like to use tools unless I have to. My hand is a tool. Oh, this one looks pretty nice. Again, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not, but it's been that long, and I'm going to do it. Oh my God, this is so strong. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. Thank you, Lord. I am actually growing garlic. I can't believe it, y'all. This is just a regular piece of little garlic from the stove. Not even the elephant garlic. My first time. I am so happy, baby. I don't want to keep you guys long, but if you want to see what I'm doing, stick around, baby. All right, guys, the results are here, baby. Let's see about our garlic boo-boos. This is the best one. I'll tell you that right away. Okay? We already knew that. Now, these are small, but for grocery store ones, they are okay for salads and things of that nature. I will be using these. I sure will. You gotta let them dry out, but you know. And they next time, okay, let's do our little lesson. What did we learn? We learned that yes, you can grow garlic from the store. However, it will not be as big as you think it will be. Okay, we learned that. Number 2, we learned that we need to dedicate a whole bed to garlic by itself so that we can give it the chance to grow. Because as I told you, these right here can be just as large as this one. Have I given it enough time? I believe. But it was also starting to flower. So I came to take it off because I don't want them all over that bed particularly anyway. So guys, this is what I grew, baby. And I'm very, very thankful and grateful that I was able to actually have this experience for myself. All right, guys. Talk to you later, baby. Peace.